front-loading electric smoker comes with recipe/instruction booklet and 1.75-pound bag of chips and chunks. Hickory flavor wood fuel. Consistent low temperature setting using a 120 volts, 250 watts heating element for approximately 165 F. Easy slide chrome-plated grills, maximum capacity flavor fuel pan, dishwasher safe drip pan. Durable, embossed aluminum construction, for outdoors use only. UL, CUL, and CSA listed, no assembly required, 2-year limited warranty. Dimensions: 24½ x 11½ W x 11½ D.Capacity Smokes up to 25 pounds of meat or fish. Safety: smoker comes with UL and CUL certifications. Top reviews from the United States. Love this smoker. A chef friend in Texas raves about the Little Chief's quality and ease of use when I went for a visit. A week later, mine arrived from Amazon. Have smoked pork loins, a brisket and bacon so far, and everything has turned out incredible. Easier to assemble and use and cheaper than any other smoker I've come across. The design is genius and the recipe book is super helpful. If you're thinking about one, just buy it.